Welcome back, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Me Crafty YouTube channel, and I am back with part 2 of my 3-part Z-fold card set series that I'm sharing here today on YouTube in honor of World Cardmaking Day. If you have not yet seen part A or part 1 of this episode, please make sure you go and watch that first. Otherwise, this could be confusing. I will have that video linked in the description box below, and I'm going to pop it in the upper right corner now. In part A, I shared with you the supplies I was going to use, talked about and did all of the cutting, and started getting my card bases ready by making the Z-fold. So that is where this video is going to pick up at. All of my card bases are ready. So the next step in this process is going to be to take the craft cardstock pieces, which are 3x4, and start adhering these pattern pieces of paper that were 2 3/4 by 3 3/4 onto the fronts of these. I don't want to completely put you to sleep because I'm sure that you all know how to adhere paper to cardstock, so I'll do the rest of these off camera and I'll be back. All of the focal points are put together, so now what I'm going to do is kind of create little kits, and I will put together all of the pieces that will go on one of the card bases. To give you an idea of what I do, is I pick out the focal point, and then I will choose the pieces that will go inside that card. So I want to have a different pattern on each panel, and then you'll notice when it's closed, that will be what it looks like. So you'll just continue putting those together until you have all of your pieces matched up with inside pieces of paper. So I have all of my pieces put together, and I just put them right in order how I want to adhere them on the card. So below the focal point, I have 3 pieces, and that is exactly how I will adhere them in order then on the card base. When you go to put the adhesive on the focal point, you will only put adhesive on the back of the left half of the card because you don't want to put it over here or your card's going to stick together. And then the area for your written sentiment, go ahead and put adhesive around the edge of the back. And this gets centered right on that large pattern paper panel. And then when it's closed, you're not able to see that. So I'll continue to do this until I have all of my cards ready to go. Hey guys, I just wanted to sneak into this video with a special announcement. I am going to have a flash hidden giveaway in honor of World Cardmaking Day. And what the recipient is going to receive are the 12 cards that I am making in this video, and you are going to get your very own sentiment stamp set that I will be later putting on these cards. Now, if you want to know how you can enter, in the description box of this video, I have a link to a non-public video that you're going to go there and find out how you can enter to win. Good luck! Now all 12 of my cards are ready to go. What you could do at this point is just stop, and then when you need a card for an occasion, you could then come back and decorate the front with either an image or a sentiment or maybe a die cut word that would go along with what you need for the recipient. I am going to go ahead, like I mentioned earlier, I will be using the Bow Bunny stamp set to put sentiments on the front of each of these cards. But you know what? This video is already getting kind of long, so I'm going to stop for now, and I will come back with a second video later today that shows you how I went ahead and decorated them to finish them off. If this is your first time to my channel and you want to know when I upload that video as well as other card making videos this weekend and in the future, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button below, and if you click on the bell, you'll be notified when those videos are posted. If you are a regular viewer and subscriber, thanks again so much for stopping back by. As always, you know I appreciate you. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.